Ever dreamed of running a global business empire? Imagine managing international payments, streamlining foreign currency exchange, and navigating complex regulations across borders. Sounds like a logistical nightmare, right? Introducing the challenge. Well, for many businesses with international ambitions, this is a very real challenge. Expanding overseas can be incredibly rewarding, opening new markets and boosting your bottom line. But the hurdles involved in managing international finances can be daunting. Introducing the solution. That's where companies like Airwallex come in. They offer a one-stop shop for businesses looking to simplify their international financial operations. But who exactly is using Airwallex? Let's dive into some of the big names leveraging this innovative platform. Examples of companies using Airwallex. E-commerce giants. Airwallex empowers e-commerce businesses like Canva and Klook to streamline their global payments. From managing international marketplaces to facilitating secure transactions across borders, Airwallex helps these companies scale seamlessly. Tech startups. Innovative startups like Unlock and Xpeng are using Airwallex to navigate the complexities of international fundraising and managing overseas expenses. This allows them to focus on developing cutting-edge products and services. Logistics and supply chain. Airwallex helps companies like Ninja Van and Flexport manage cross-border payments for their complex supply chains. This ensures smooth operations and timely deliveries, keeping their customers happy. Travel and hospitality. Booking.com and Airbnb leverage Airwallex to facilitate seamless international payments for travelers and hosts. This creates a frictionless experience for users around the globe. Benefits of using Airwallex. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of companies using Airwallex. So, what makes this platform so attractive? Simplified global payments. Airwallex eliminates the need for multiple bank accounts and simplifies foreign currency exchange. Reduced costs. By offering competitive exchange rates and transparent fees, Airwallex helps businesses save money on international transactions. Regulatory compliance. Airwallex takes care of complex regulatory requirements, allowing businesses to focus on their core operations. Improved cash flow. Faster international payments lead to improved cash flow and better financial control. Call to action. Whether you're a seasoned multinational or a budding startup with global aspirations, Airwallex could be the key to unlocking your international potential. Explore their platform and see how it can simplify your global financial operations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy expanding.